Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add audio to Google Slide. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, you want to go to the Google Drive. You want to create a new folder on Google Drive on the same account. As you can see here, I am on this account, here I am on the same account as well. So make sure to open a Google Drive, map a folder on the same account. Once you have done that, we can open up our folder. We can actually drag in the music. So for example, I am this song. Let's upload this. Less than a minute left. So what we need to do, we need to wait till this song has uploaded. So this should not take like very long time. I hope it's like 20 seconds. Once it uploaded, it will also appear on Google Slides. As you can see, here is the slide. So we just have to wait till this done, and it's almost done, because what we have to do, then we can go on Google Slide to insert, and then we have to audio, and that's what we have to insert. And where we go, this is here. Now we have to do that insert audio. As you can see, two of them are already here, and now like he inspired chill day also here. So we can hit select, and now it's getting the audio and adding it to wall slide. So let's wait till this done. As you can see, here is the audio, there is also audio section. So if I hit this, then it's going to play. We can set something up like, do we want to make this automatically hide icon, and now it will be gone. When we view it as a presentation, we can select the as on, click on the volume loop it. So let's say it's a song of like 50 seconds and you want to loop it, then we can hit loop stop and slide change. So that means if you want change to the next slide, so let's say we change to second slide, the music is going to slow, the music is going to stop. If we disable that, the music will continue like all the time. So this is the way how you can add audio to Google Slides. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.